Okay, so I am going to get started and just wanted to say good afternoon to everybody. I'm Andrea Routson, and I have the privilege to lead the product teams at alphabroder. I'm going to cover this little green team AB Prime logo a little bit later. But, you know, there's a lot of brands in our industry. There's a lot of brands at alphabroder. These are just the brands that are in our assortment alone. But the three brands on the right in our fashion category, Econscious, Threadfast, and Alternative, are three of the brands that I'm going to take a deep dive into today. They're what I consider our sustainability superstar brands. So first I'm going to touch on Econscious. So Econscious is a brand that is exclusive to alphabroder. It's been in our assortment for more than 5 years. And what's great about Econscious is I always tell our team and our customers that Econscious is our go-to plug and play brand for sustainability. Every single style within the Econscious brand has one or more sustainability attributes to it. So it really is a superstar. Exclusively focus on sustainable materials. So every style in the collection contains fibers such as organic cotton, recycled polyester, and hemp. Also with a product life cycle focus. So this is not throwaway product. So much products in our promotional products industry can sometimes be construed as, throwaway, giveaway. Econscious really develops high quality. Every style is designed to last. These are products that you can wear or use over and over again. Another thing that's important within sustainability is not only what it's made with, but how it's made. So ethical manufacturing, sustainable manufacturing. So as I go through a little bit through the line, you'll see all of the different associations. Sustainability isn't just like a catchphrase. It isn't like a trend. It's a compliance issue. So at alphabroder, we're very focused on partnering with our brands. And when we say something has a sustainability element to it, we go back and do our homework with our brand partners. So these are just some things relative to, say, fiber standards or actual what the product is made from. So not just to say, hey, I'm buying organic cotton, or hey, I'm using recycled polyester, but Econscious, everything is validated. They have all their transaction certificates available. So whether it's the global organic textile standard, organic cotton standard, recycled standard. So it's very, very important when you're talking to your customers and seeking out products that have a sustainable element to them. You want to be sure that that's backed up with the actual transaction, the actual verifiable types of certificates. In addition to what the products are made from, there's all sorts of ways products are made. So whether it's things with social compliance like WRAP, ISO, and also things that are very focused on sustainable manufacturing. These are all different things that you can educate yourself with regards to sustainability. So looking at Econscious, line at a glance, I love this because this really gives you not only just the types of products that are in the brand, but using their little legend here, you can see different kinds of sustainable manufacturing or social aspects to that. So, kind of organic cotton jersey, this is at the core of their line, is EC1000 style, #1 style for Econscious. So in addition to that, we've got jersey here. We've got some blends with recycled polyester as well as fleece. So this is some new fleece that we've just launched that is in hemp. So hemp is a really interesting and new fiber that's coming on the scene with sustainability. In addition to apparel, the Econscious brand also has some great headwear and some great accessories. This, EC7000 baseball hat, this 77 trucker, another superstar style, all with, different recycled content. They have some new hemp outerwear. So we've got a hemp structured baseball cap, as well as a hemp wash trucker. And then some of the bags and aprons. Pouches are really big right now. I use my Econscious pouch to stick all my little electronics and things as I'm traveling back and forth. So again, we think about Econscious, exclusive to alphabroder, but also every single style has sustainable content as well as sustainable manufacturing. Their Econscious consumer website also gives back 1% to the planet, so there's a good responsible mindset as well. Next, I'm going to move on to Threadfast. So Threadfast, also a brand exclusive to alphabroder. What I love about Threadfast is they consider sustainability a journey. So, you know, it's as a lot of brands are looking at sustainability and thinking about how they're going to move toward a more sustainable, you know, kind of footprint. You don't want to just throw things out and start anew. So Threadfast looks at their collection within 3 major buckets. They've got some styles within their collection that are 100% sustainable. They've got other styles that they call planet friendly. So some components are sustainable and some are in transition. And then they have other styles that are 100% in transition and moving with their R&D develops to more sustainable fiber contents. So some of the pillars that Threadfast works on, they launched the Ultimate Fleece and Ultimate Tee collection last year, and this has, you know, been an unbelievable successful collection for us here at alphabroder. So all cotton is, you know, they have a goal by this year to have 80% of the cotton for all of their products sourced through this Better Cotton initiative. And this is a way that you can join this BCI, and it's a way that you can help this organization create ethical and sustainable cotton farming worldwide. It's a global thing. So again, brands are making commitments. Brands are talking about things in terms of what they're going to be doing relative to percentages. And as I said, this year, they really feel like 90% of their cotton is going to be sourced through BCI, and then 100% by the year 2023. Moving into recycled polyester, we all know about recycled polyester. So there's branded recycled polyester like Reprieve, and others. So this is really about post-consumer and sometimes industrial waste in polyester that is going and being recycled. So within the Ultimate Tee, all of the polyester content within their Ultimate Tee is recycled. And once again, really working toward having all the polyester or 90% of the polyester in their products through recycled sources this year. In addition to the actual fiber or fabric content, there's also ways of dyeing. You know, dyeing, especially with certain kinds of dyes, can be very water intensive, can use a lot of energy. So the cationic heathers within their Ultimate Tee collection are done with a special sort of dye that is much more energy efficient, uses way less chemicals, way less water, and way less energy. So again, that idea of manufacturing, dyeing as also a sustainability building point. So this little cheat sheet of the Threadfast collection, this is as of our spring 2021 assortment. We've got the 100% sustainable products, the Ultimate Fleece, the Ultimate Tee, the new Impact Yoga collection, as well as some of our jackets. Planet friendly, so our tri-blend collection and some of our Impact tees are in a process of being kind of in transition to 100% sustainable, as well as some other products that will be sustainable as we move forward to 2023. So now I'm going to move on to alternative. You know, it was interesting when I read this. Alternative's been around since 1995. I first met Greg and Evan, who started Alternative back in 2005 or 2006, and they really were one of the first brands to really be committed to sustainability long before it was trendy. So, you know, they were recently acquired by Hanes Brands, and Hanes has really done a lot to move them into a more sustainable platform. As of this year, they're using all recycled polyester in any of their products that have polyester. Next year, they have a goal to replace all their cotton with sustainable cotton. And then by the year 2023, 100% of their product line is going to incorporate sustainable elements. So this is really important, this journey, this transition. And as I said earlier, Hanes is committed to doing this in a fully transparent, very verifiable way, which is really, really important. So they prepared some great slides with me, organic cotton, again, at the core of their assortment. Also using fibers like Modal. Modal uses plant fibers that are very sustainable, as well as recycled poly, their famous Eco Jersey, which has been around since the beginning. As well as their Eco Fleece, still my favorite. Love this, and Alternative is really known for their amazing fabrics, amazing hand feel, and now really with this full 100% sustainability initiative with the brand, I think is great. Big line and great styles. So I know this presentation is going to be made available to everybody, so I'm just going to kind of quickly go through this, but just so you can see like what a great brand Alternative is at all different price points. So, kind of at that good, better, best within sustainability is really a selling point for Alternative. Okay, so last but not least, and I'm watching my time because I know we only have 15 minutes for this, I wanted to just take you through a little bit of what we're doing at alphabroder and Prime with regards to sustainability. So last year, we kicked off what we affectionately call our Green Team project. I'm the executive lead for that project, and it's been a great experience. And we really are taking a comprehensive look at our facilities, our partners, and our products. So I wanted to share a little bit about what we're going to be launching soon within our website, giving our customers a little bit of an enhanced way to look for products within our total assortment that have sustainable materials. So that's products that are made with one or more form of sustainable, recycled, or recyclable fabric or components. Sustainable manufacturing, as well as a responsible mindset, which is things that have a give back aspect to it. We're really looking for simplicity and consistency, and once again, that validity. So we're doing all of our research, and we're making sure that when we say something has a sustainable material or a responsible mindset, we've got all of the documentation to back that up. So hopefully launching this fall, when you go onto alphabroder.com right now, you can filter on, t-shirts or fleece, or you can filter on youth or women's or unisex. So we're going to have 3 new filters on our website that are going to be around products with sustainable materials, sustainable manufacturing, and or a responsible mindset. So you're going to be able to, you might look at t-shirts and then, just like you might filter your t-shirts by different attributes, you'll be able to look at every t-shirt that has one or more of these attributes. We're also going to be adding this little green leaf icon. So even if you go onto a product listing page and you're not looking for sustainability necessarily, you can see which styles have that. So like I said here, this is something where someone was looking for some outerwear, and you'll be able to see this. And you'll be able to dig down and know that. And then as you get into our product detail page, we'll be specifically calling out what that feature is and, sort of what that language is around that. So that is it for my presentation.